Hey there, Nicole Vanderwalsh, Search Marketer here, and I wanted to talk you through one of the common mistakes that I do see across both paid accounts and Google Grants accounts is adding irrelevant conversions. So this is when marketers will add in just a boatload of conversions, heaps of different conversions into the account, and not really specifying, 1 to 2 per campaign that the account should be optimizing towards, right? So if we upload, 10 different conversions into the account, it's likely that Google is going to be optimizing those campaigns towards the easiest conversion to get, right? So if you're, I'm looking at you people that have uploaded conversions that are someone who's visited your site for more than a minute or more than 30 seconds, or people that I see this conversion all the time visited 2 or more pages. I'm looking at you people. So if you have a conversion in your site that's people that visit more than 2 pages, that's quite easy. Google is going to see that that is an easy conversion in your account, and it's going to optimize towards more people that are most likely to visit 2 or more pages. So what the problem with doing that is that goal is not typically a judge of success for your organization, or hopefully it isn't. So you really want Google to focus on, whether that's a newsletter sign up or whether it's a purchase or a donation or something like that, because we want to actively be able to measure it, will rather judge success of our Google Ads account, and that success should line up with success for our organization, right? It should be a clear path. So if for your organization, your main goal is to get donations and newsletter signups, in your Google Grants account, your main goal should be donations and signups, right? There shouldn't be any tricky, sneaky conversions that you've jammed in there to just help your account spend, because in the long run, in the short term, that might be great. You might be spending $10,000 a month, well done. But in the long term, that's going to do nothing for your business. So all that time and effort that you've put into building your Google Grants account and getting it to spend that $10,000 a month would have been better served if you were, optimizing a landing page for newsletter signups or optimizing your donation funnel, right? We need to be laser focused on what's most important and really go in hard on those conversions. So I think I've talked enough about this one, so I'm not really going to jump into the account and show you this because I've chatted through this a lot, but just really make sure that you are only uploading relevant conversions into your Google Grants account. It's really going to help in the long term. All right, thank you.